At this point, I think it's safe to say Charlie Munger is not a big fan of cryptocurrencies. In fact, in a recent interview, he described cryptocurrencies like a venereal disease that should be banned. In fact, according to a recent article by Financial Post, Munger recently at Daily Journal's corporation's annual meeting has said that I wish it had been banned immediately, and I admire the Chinese for banning it. I certainly didn't invest in crypto, and I'm proud of the fact that I've avoided it. It's like a venereal disease or something. I just regard it as beneath contempt. The 90-year-old billionaire has long been a critic of Bitcoin and previously calling it rat's poison. And on Wednesday recently, he warned of other wretched market excesses, including the flood of venture capital into startups. Munger has touched on a range of topics at that Daily Journal meeting. It is worth mentioning that Daily Journal has recently been building up its stake in China's Alibaba Group holding, and Munger was repeatedly questioned about that investment and his views on investing in China. He said that he'd be more comfortable in investing in that country than that of the comfort level that Buffett has. According to Munger, the companies that they invest in are stronger relative to their competition and price lower. That's why we are in China. With that out of the way, we're going to provide a quick update in terms of our cryptocurrency portfolio accounts that we have. We have 3 of those. We have a portfolio account with Wealthsimple Crypto. We have one with Coinsquare, as well as a recent account that we've opened with Shakepay. So let's get into it. Our account with Wealthsimple Crypto is currently showing a balance of $3,659. It certainly is down in the past 1 month by 5%. In the past 1 week, it is down by 9%. In the past 24 hours, it is down by 8%. The all-time return for this portfolio is down or negative 20%. Our holdings in this portfolio include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and Solana, with the largest holdings belonging to Ethereum. We currently have a total value of around $2,100 invested in Ethereum. That gives us about 0.57 fraction of a shares of Ethereum tokens. It is down by 21%. Bitcoin is our second largest holding. We have a total value of close to $1,200 invested here. And of course, this is the value after being down as a result of the market value. It is down by close to 16% or down $236. Next bigger holding here belongs to Shiba Inu. We have close to $200 invested here. It is down by 31% plus or down about $90. And lastly, Solana, we have more than one token of Solana. To be exact, we have 1.13 roughly fraction of a token of Solana, and it is down by 19% or about $32 at this time. With that out of the way, let's take a look at our Coinsquare account. Here, we haven't added any new funds, and we are currently looking at $598 and some change. We have largest exposure to Bitcoin, close to $539 of these funds are invested in Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum. We have close to $50 invested in there, and followed by lastly Dogecoin. We have about $7. Looking at the last 24 hours, and lastly, if you look at our Shakepay wallet here, you notice that we have Bitcoin, Ethereum as our only 2 available cryptos here. With Shakepay, you are only able to trade, buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the only 2 options you have. When we opened this account, we actually used a referral link, and as a result of that, we earned $30 as soon as we deposited $100 and used those $100 to buy a combination of Ethereum or Bitcoin or whichever of those that you'd like. And so in that sense, that $150 that we invested grew to $180, given that the market is down. The amount roughly now is around $170 or so, but still we are in a positive because that $30 that we earned as a referral bonus is almost like an immediate 30% gain. I do encourage you, if you do not have a Shakepay account and are interested and would like to give it a try, to use our referral link. It gives you a chance to actually earn $30 as soon as you deposit $100 into your new Shakepay account and use that to buy digital currencies. I personally use it. And the other thing that I quite like with Shakepay is the fact that if you download the mobile app, every day you can simply shake your phone and you're going to earn Satoshis, which is the smallest unit describing like the Bitcoin bits. And for example, and that amount is actually going to grow every day up. For example, you start off with a mere 100 Satoshis, and from there on, every day it's going to compound and grow until I believe at the 90 days, after 90 days, you reach that maximum amount of Satoshis that I believe it's around 1,000 Satoshis. And if you maintain that streak, you're going to then continue to earn that 1,000 Satoshis every single day up until you maintain that streak. If you do that, and if you are diligent, literally it's going to take you 2 seconds or so just to shake your phone and earn that. You're going to be able to, perhaps, given the last trading price of Bitcoin, be able to earn almost equivalent to about $150 to $200 free worth of Bitcoin into your portfolio just in a 1 year time frame, and kind of continue that. We are hoping that, of course, Shakepay doesn't take this feature away, but for now, that's the feature, and that was really one of the key selling points for me that I wanted to get into it. And you're noticing here how it's been done. I've been maintaining my streak ever since I opened the account. I think I started since February 5th, and since then, gradually that Satoshi amount is going to grow, and you're seeing the equivalent dollar value of it. Started it as low as 5 cents, and because it's compounding and growing over time, now it's got to almost a value of 11 cents today, that when I shake my phone and earn that. As the price of Bitcoin could go higher, potentially, these Satoshis that you're earning is going to also be worth more money. Regardless, it's a fun way to earn more Bitcoin into your wallet. So check it out if that's something that interests you. I've added the referral link in the description of the video. Let me know what you think of the thoughts that Charlie Munger has shared about investing in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Do you agree with him, or are you kind of against his belief? I know for a fact that for me, I'm investing in cryptocurrencies as a side way of diversifying my portfolio a little bit further, and also giving some exposure to a new type of digital currency, something that I believe in future has a lot to say, and it could be a direction that in future organizations may be leaning towards and be pursuing. Again, nothing is for certain, and with many different forms of technology or different forms of payments, there's a chance that some may actually stay and some might totally disappear. So there is definitely that level of speculation and some risk associated with that, which is why my investments in cryptocurrencies are very small, and they are a fraction of a percentage of my overall portfolio size. And my risk tolerance to that is that if the value of these investments in fact go a lot lower, or God forbid one day they go to zero, I'm okay with that, because it's not the largest portion of my investments for that matter. But at the same time, the potential could be high if they are gonna end up staying here and end up actually growing so much more in value. That's why no risk, no reward, which is why I'm trying to be kind of a calculated risk taker in this sense, and not put all my eggs in one basket for that matter. Let me know what your approach is, and whether you are treating cryptocurrency investing the same way, or you're more bullish or bearish. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this video and gained something of value from it. If you did, please smash that like button. It really helps us a lot on this channel to grow and reach out to more individuals who are interested in investing, whether it's investing in cryptocurrencies, stock market, or real estate, as well as those who are pursuing financial freedom. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you next time.